What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. This bin is actually 8 weeks old now, so I'm going to add some more paper to it because everything's getting turned into castings, which is really great. And I had a coffee filter on top where the feeding was, and I don't see it anywhere. Oh, here's those lettuce stalks. So here was the feeding. The coffee filter has been completely eaten. Oh, actually the feeding was there in the middle. Because here's that cardboard that was on the side. Okay, well, that's why I like to mark it, but shoot, they ate everything up. Oh, these were some of the carrot tops. So that's all that's left from them. I think I have some more carrot tops to give to them. Wow, this is looking great. Right there is a little cocoon, another little cocoon. Looks like another one back here. So I'm going to give this a good flip, and then I'll show you what I'm going to try. Yeah, very pleased with how everything's looking. Let me grab this stuff. So, feeding will go right in here. And I'll show you what I'm going to do over this way. So I'm going to add paper over on this side, add some water, and kind of mix it in with some of these castings, and leave that alone for right now, and then feed right here. And in the next week or two, start feeding over on that side so I can start trying to migrate everybody over. Okay, so with this being all fresh, I'm going to add a little sand right to it. And a little bit of eggshell. Okay, so more carrot tops from when I harvested, and a half of a cucumber. Ground up eggshell. A little bit of sand. want to make sure that this gets buried pretty well. I'll put a coffee filter right there. And there's no doubt where I fed this time. It'll be right there. I know I didn't feed over there. So, well, the progression of this bin has come along quite nicely. Like I said, this is going on 8 weeks, so just about 2 months. And I'm very, very impressed. Oh. Another cocoon. Like I said, it's loaded with them, which is awesome. Well, I'm super happy with the progression of this bin. I hope everybody's enjoying seeing how it's coming along. Like I said, it's only been 8 weeks. I will put our little cover back on to keep some of that moisture that I sprayed over there, and try to keep this area a little moist too where the new food is. Thanks for coming along, everybody. Have a great day.